What's the deal? It's Randall. We're here at Mod FX. Got my man Sergio here.
What's going on?
As you can see, he has a Hellcat Charger. We got white with the black stripes. And he said he wanted to add a little something different to it. So what he got this this brand new Widebody kit that just came out, made by a company called I guess Vicrez or Vicrez, or however you say it, but just came out with a new Widebody kit. So we're gonna show you what this kit looks like, and then of course we'll show you as we put the kit on this car and the process we do to do that as well. And so let's check the box out real quick. Sergio, help me if you don't mind. So we're gonna unbox this kit. And so he was one of the first ones to order it. And so what that means is that he's one of the first ones to get it. So I'm not sure if there's a video already out on this kit, but if not, you saw it here. And so what we have here is one of the Widebody fender flares. And so as with any kit, you have your fender flares. On the back, you have your different tabs, which assist with the mounting. And so of course, we'll have to go over that once we get the whole kit assembled. So I just put this down right here. We'll go ahead and pull the next piece out. And so this piece looks like it's our front lip. And so we'll put it up against the car real quick. But you have your front lip. It's made out of sturdy plastic, so it's not bending or fragile. So, some of the body kit pieces are very fragile to where they'll break. And let's see what we got next. You got your mounting clips. These help mounting the flares to the fenders. So we got two more fender flares. One. Then we got, this is going to be one of the fender flare extensions. Let's keep going. And it looks like we have a few more extension pieces. So it's going to be one of the ones that goes to near the bumper, because you have your side marker mounts here. And so it looks like you have your holes already pre-drilled, and so that is a good thing. So when you put your side markers in, they're going to fit like they're supposed to. That it? And we got a couple more. So we got 1, 2, 3. We got a couple more flares also. And so with this Widebody kit, as with any kit, they come unpainted in raw plastic finish. And so what we're gonna have to do is, in his case, he's gonna have to paint them to match his color. If he had a wrap on his vehicle, you would actually wrap it in the material of your choice to match the color that's on the vehicle. And so pretty much everything here looks like it's ready to go, and all around in good shape. In some manufacturers, you gotta kind of wonder if you get stuff, if the package will be all intact, but as you can see, everything here is pretty much good to go. And now it's just a matter of getting it going. And so come a little bit closer. And so a question that we've gotten on this kit, because we have done a couple of other manufacturers, they asked, does this kit mount using 3M tape? And so so this is my first time seeing it, as well as most people. And so they have included some 3M tape, which means at some point on some pieces you may have to use 3M tape. And so we'll have to look into the mounting and revisit that conversation once we get there. And so as you can see, the little note they left with the package, if you can please do a video installation, it will be greatly appreciated. We'll see if we can get a video up and help you guys out. So no promises, but we definitely do what we can. We got a few screws here as well. Nice little lanyard, so they gave you some swag with it. We're gonna put a few pieces up against the car. We'll show you how it fits, and then we'll go from there.
I got that other one too, the other splitter. There we go.
Randall gave me one of the best deals that I was talking about, the window check. When you come to Mod FX, this is the typical treatment, They order that's what you should say like that. So I'm gonna take that.
Once again, this is a Dodge Charger Hellcat wide body kit, and so we got a little project, but we love projects, and so we'll definitely make this one to remember. So Sergio, what you think?
So far it looks good. Hopefully we can get this cutter right, and I know y'all gonna do a great job installing it. I can't wait, excited to see what it comes out to look like.